Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook ads account using your personal Facebook profile. Mind you, this is not a tutorial about how to create a Facebook ad account using your business manager. This is a tutorial about how to create your Facebook ads manager using your personal Facebook profile. Now, to do this, all you have to do is just visit this URL www.facebook.com/business. When you visit this URL, you'll be landed on a page like this. Now from here, all you have to do is just click on create an ad. Mind you, every Facebook personal profile comes with a ad account attached to it. Now here what you're doing is you are just activating your ad account. Nothing as such creating an ad account, you are simply activating your ad account. Now once you land on a screen like this, I want you to select one of these objectives. Don't worry about how to select the objectives at the moment, like, so those things will be explained in our future videos or tutorials. Now, all you have to do is just click on one of these objectives. I'm clicking on traffic, right? Let the page load. And scroll down and see, it'll ask you to give a name for the campaign, right? I'm giving a name like demo campaign. And you'll see a call to action button here, set up ad account. Now I'm going to show you the difference between this interface when you are creating an ad for the first time versus when you are trying to create an ad from an existing ad account. Now I'm going to switch back to another Facebook account of mine. Yeah. Now this is my personal ads manager account or my personal Facebook account. Now I'm trying to create an ad here, right? I'm setting the objective as traffic, and let me scroll down and show you. Now here again, it will ask you to give you a name for your campaign, and notice the call to action button here is continue, not set up ad account, right? Now the difference is this, what you're seeing on screen now is a Facebook ad account which is already created. I have already run ads on this ad manager, as against what you are going to see next. Now this is a brand new ad account. Now I'm setting up this ad account for the first time. This is the first ad campaign that I'm going to run on this ad account. So that's why you're seeing this call to action button, set up ad account, right? Now you can give a name here for the campaign and click on set up ad account, and it will ask you to fill or select your country, your currency and time. So now these information are very important. You'll have to select the correct information because you won't be allowed to change this later once you create this. Now if Facebook allows you a local currency, select the local currency from here. Otherwise, just leave it as US dollars, and make sure you are selecting your time zone accurately, because based on the time zone that you are selecting here, your ad scheduling will work. Now, once you click continue, your ad account will be set up. Then you will be able to start creating ads using this ad account. Now, I created this video for the benefit of the people who are attending workshops conducted by Asia Pacific Institute of Digital Marketing. The workshops we are creating or conducting for Facebook advertising. Now, if you are one of those people who are about to join one of our workshops, make sure that you go through this tutorial and create your own Facebook ad account before you come into the workshop, because then we can save a lot of time which otherwise take for you to create your Facebook ad account. We can use that saved time to discuss more advanced topic like Facebook ad targeting, ad scheduling, conversion pixel, and ad creative types. There are a lot more interesting and advanced topics which we can discuss and do hands-on training in the classroom, rather than actually spending our time on basic tutorials like how to create a Facebook ad account. Hope you had a good understanding about the basic steps involved in creating a Facebook ad account. And I'll be sharing some of other videos like this. Thank you for watching.